I'm Trisha Lewis, representing Romance FC, which is a creative football collective. Check us out on Instagram at romance.fc.
Hey, you are there.
Oh, did you? Oh, is it?
E o que me importa é não estar vencido. Minha vida, meus mortos, meus caminhos meu sangue nativo. Minha alma cativa.
I say that, maybe not. Dankeschön, mein Freund. Maybe not. Okay, well,
Listen.
Oh, go on. It's hiding it. How fresh?
About a week.
Nice.
A week ago, I think.
Nice.
Still a bit stubborn.
You mean it, you definitely mean it. Well done, man. How much they charge you for that?
No one here.
I thought you was Jesus Christ. God. You turned around, I was like, no, don't do it, brother. Don't do it, bro. Nice. I love that. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro, man. Alright, gang. Oh shit, yeah, sorry. Fuck. Sorry, man, sorry. Come on, good man. There you go. Oh, lovely. Thank you. Good luck. Exactly, tell him. Get in line, gang. You heard.
It's like herding sheep.
I know. Except sheep listen.
Come on, get in the picture.
Come on, go get your
Cheers, man. How you doing? Yeah, I like the bucket hat, man. Is that an old one? Yeah. A few years old. Yeah, I was thinking, I've not seen that. About. Very nice.
I mean, the Spezial ones, I'm not thinking about myself black one.
Yeah, no, they haven't, have they? Yeah. With white, just with the white tray foil, that would be amazing. No, well, depends. I come down, and it depends if I'm about. Then I'll just come down. I'm not like official or nothing. I just do it for my channel. As in, oh, London. Oh, yeah, I'm from London. Yeah, I'm from Hackney. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Oh, Hackney. So it's fun. Yeah, it has changed. It's expensive as hell now. The gentrification's taken over. You know, I mean, there's good parts of that. Less crackheads, you know, but at the same time, the bit of the spirits. Like, that's where I lived. Yeah. No, I used to. I had a place there, but we sold it. Yeah. It used to be London Fields. Yeah. Love London Fields. Great park. Pop on the park. Come on. Pop on the park. Yeah. I know. You get me? And you didn't always have to go outside. You know what I mean? I know, good time, man. It's a great park, that though. Huge, isn't it? Yeah. Phoenix. What about you? Carnaby. Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. Are you from London? No. Not as in, but I mean, you live in London. Oh, okay. What's South East? Oh, Bexley live.
Not too far from Woolwich.
Okay, yeah. How long you been there? Years. Oh, okay. My sister's in Stratford. Okay. So you're basically a Londoner, really, innit?
No, not really.
I like that. Never claim it. I know. Never claim it. So do you collect Spezial or Adidas in general?
I probably do Adidas.
Yeah.
I
know. They got some nice bits in it. Yeah.
The thing is, I used to buy 19s.
Yeah.
And then after a while, when I used to wear them, it's like,
Yeah. The thing is, Adidas was my favourite until I looked around and saw that I had more Nike than Adidas. So I had to stop lying to myself and say, actually, you wear more Nike more than Adidas. And also, the flat foot thing, like Adidas is very flat foot, and I've got an arch. So I can't wear them for too long. Like ZX is perfect, but the flat ones, I'm struggling after about 5 hours, you know. So yeah, man. Sorted?
Sorted, yeah. No black in the fit.
Don't matter. Where'd you get the jacket?
The scarf, though.
Nah?
Ran out.
Alright, where'd you get the Astro? Oh, the grey ones, Oh, nice. Nah, me neither. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay, yeah. And me. Yeah, okay, I get you. Makes sense. Yeah. Oh, so, cardinal sin, I'm so sorry. Shit. Yeah, man. Nice. Oh, man. So tired. So tired, I ain't even done nothing. Man like the Adidas connection. My God.
Nice leather that is, isn't it?
They are very nice. But considering I just bought the patters, I'm off limits to buy anything.
Oh, you got the chlorophyll?
Yeah, I did, yeah. I've been waiting bloody God knows how long for those. No, these are buttery. Sorry, could you just look at that? Woo! They are gorgeous to the touch.
Resplendent, I think the word.
Resplendent. Excellent. I love
Sort of in like the 80s, you know when you wanted to like breathe on it.
Yeah.
I think Mexico 86, Germany had a kit in that Adidas.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, yeah. It's that lining stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. That's what I do. Yeah, I'm not sure.
And I love that as well. Nice soul on it.
Yeah, that's
The only
classic
little
song.
pop of contrast on there, you know what I mean? Apart from obviously the white.
Yeah, good grip on that. Maybe, I don't think he did. It's on him. Yeah, it's on him, he just really does. He does happen sometimes. Sorry about that.
Sorry, can I sit on the bench quickly?
Of course you can.
That's my life basically, sitting on the bench.
Currently the bodyguard for these three bags.
Good man, perfect footage.
Sorry?
I said perfect footage. Thank you, sir.
Quite a neutral colour as well.
Nice meeting you, by the way. Alright, man. How you doing? You get everything you need? Good man.
Director Hunter and Richmond.
So you
eating food. Bad energy. Woo, woo, woo. No, just me? Alright, sorry. I don't even know what my one is.
Just got one off the top there if you want. Huh? Dependents.
Oh yeah.
Okay, winner number 2. 38.
Damn, so close. So close. By the way, if I win this, I might give it a...
Lucky winner number 3. 17.
Ooh. Disappointment everywhere.
Nah.
It's just a flag.
Number 4 is 50.
Ooh. 50 cent.
15.
50.
Whee.
Our 5th winner is 47.
Yes! Yes!
Bro. He stole it off me.
Where's mine? 47.
47.
50.
Jacket. There you are, lad.
Speech. No, I'm joking.
The last one's in the case.
Go on, let me miss it. Have it. Play the lottery, man. Play the lottery. I think he's rigging it, man. He's definitely rigging it.
See you later, man.
Later, bro.
Nice
Take
meeting
care,
you.
man.
Yeah,
Nice
man.
one, man. Take care,
Cheers, bro.
bro.
Thank
Be
you.
well, man. Limondo, I guess it's time, brother.
I'm gonna shut you.
Good to see you. Yeah, man. Be well, man. Love, bro. Later, man. Take care. You okay? I'm good. You alright? Lee, I guess it's that time. Yeah. Yo, good man. Good to see you, man. Be well. Yeah, for sure, man. Take care. Man like Phil, God bless you. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Nice. I got you.